Hey everybody, it's Landon with Harbor, aka the new guy. As part of the hazing culture, I've been tasked with showing you this home in under 2 minutes. We are at 1204 First Avenue Northeast, Austin. Let's go, let's go! Nice spacious living room. Come on, let's go, let's go! Here we got a kitchen, nice big countertops, nice butcher block. Alright, let's go, come on, come on! First room, first bedroom, nice big open bedroom. Come on, let's go. Second bedroom, nice big closet. Let's go. Keep up. Here we got the bathroom, nice bathroom. Let's go, let's go. Third bedroom, nice big spacious bedroom. Let's go, come on. We're gonna check out the basement. Oh, shoot. Come on, come on. Here you got your mechanical appliances, washer, dryer, second restroom. Come on, let's go. Got a nice storage area right under the stairs. Come on, keep up, come on. Come on, keep up, go. Good garage, come on. Nice big garage, got a workbench, big overhead door there. Come on. If you like this property and want to contact us, you can hit us up on Facebook and Google, and we'll leave the information after this video.